In this video, you might be thinking this is a computer system, but not really. Wait till you look at what's inside. I'll just get the cover off and yeah. Okay, now that I've got the cover off, what you can see inside, obviously you can see a battery right down the bottom and a 12-volt charger. And at the front here, you can see a power inverter. And this one's a 300 watt power inverter, which can power anything up to 300 watts, household appliances. And at the back, you can see the front of the 12 volt charger and a switch. This switch I've decided to put it there to save opening and closing the cover of this box. This here would separate the charger and the battery, and if I switch it on, you'll see this little light turn on, which indicates that the charger is connected to the battery. And turn it back off, it disconnects it. And right now I'm going to do a demonstration with this setup of mine to show you that yes, it does work. And yeah, so right now I've got a 150 watt floodlight, and now I'm going to turn it on. So that there's turned on. I'll just swing the camera around here, and the floodlight is turned on. And yeah, this here shows you that yeah, it powers the floodlight no problem. And I can just simply disconnect it. Okay, in the last demonstration I showed that the floodlight works on my power inverter, so I thought, just for kicks, I thought I'll show powering an old, let's just say 13-14 year old desktop computer box. And now that you can see there's one of these cords plugged, we'll follow that there to the back of this computer. Yeah, you can see it's all plugged in. You can definitely see that one there's a computer system. Alright, now the front, yeah, you can still see it, yep, it's a computer system. Alright, so I'll turn on the power inverter. Do keep in mind that this one here, this power inverter, is a 300 watt inverter. And this computer sucks in 250 watts of power just for the box alone. But if there's any other accessories minus the keyboard and mouse, say the screen, that'll suck in however much the screen will take. But anyway, I'll get to the point. If I turn on the box, you'll notice the lights come on. So the inverter is powering it. So yeah, you've seen the floppy drive just start up, but anyway, that turns off. So yeah, that just shows you it powers an old desktop computer. It powers some TVs without trouble. It powers lights, as shown before. Should power old laptops for everything for several hours. And as seen inside earlier in the video and right now, I have plenty of room to stick an extra 12 volt battery in. And right here, if I stick, say, if I had 2 batteries set up, I'll have to use there's 2 different methods that I can that I'm able to use, but only one of them will work on this setup. So there is those methods are both serial and parallel. The difference between those two is serial, not cereal that you eat, but the serial setup is will keep the amperage of the 2 batteries the same, but it will double the voltage. Say if I had 2 batteries here right now, those 2 batteries will spit out 24 volts, but the amperage will be the same as just having one battery there. But if I had the setup if I had the parallel setup, which is connecting both positive terminals together, these here, and both negatives together, and yeah, the serial was the complete opposite, which is connecting positive and negative on both batteries together, and yeah, doing it that way, but I'm not going to show that. But anyway, I'll get back to the point of the parallel setup. The parallel is connecting the two positives together with the two negatives, but I can't really show that right now because I don't have the dual battery set up. But anyway, and that there will keep the voltage at 12 volts, but the amperage will go up. As you can see right now, I'll put the cover back on, and still leaving the computer system that I was using in a test before right next to it. Hopefully you enjoy the video that I put on with my own power inverter box that I made from a few spare parts and with some creativity. Alright, hope you enjoy.